was kind of like that last championship game. I know it was a 4-hour game, but it seemed like 10 hours. That seemed like an hour and a half long wait just to see where we were going. But yeah, I mean, it was well worth it in the end. I'm just super proud of our guys. I think it's been such a resilient group. It's guys that I love being around, and so I'm excited to get another week of playing and see if we can keep it going a little longer.
Well, this is a great moment for the university, but especially a great moment for the coaches and the players. They've worked really hard. They've earned this and deserved it, but it's exciting. Our fan base, our alumni, our students, everybody loves and enjoys baseball, particularly the kind of baseball that Coach and the team play. It's a lot of fun to watch.